Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Mac, so let's get started. On the top left hand side of my screen, you're going to see your Apple logo. In your Apple logo, third option will say your App Store, and then you have System Preferences. App Store usually just for apps, and right here in System Settings is where you're going to find every other updates. We're going to go right into there. Once you open that up, you're going to see something like so. Our second option, actually all the way up here, you're going to see Software Update. However, if you don't see that, don't worry about it. Scroll down until you see General. Tap on General. Then you're going to see your Software Update, which is your second option. From here, it's just going to check your updates. Now, if nothing's popping up, what you can do is turn off and on automatic updates. That will refresh things, restart your Mac, and you should be good to go. But anyways, assuming you guys are good to go, just go ahead and update now. This update's extremely small, so it will take only a couple seconds to install, and that would be it. So right now, it can tell you that your Mac is all the way up to date and you're good to go. So that's how you guys can update your Mac right now. This is the latest version right here of your Mac OS. Anyways, if you have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.